Latest social media updates. Elon Musk says Twitter, now X, is moving to monthly subscription fees and has 550 million users. Google adds AI-powered Proofread feature in Gboard. Azure launches free playground for WordPress on app service. Microsoft is planning to stream PC cloud games, internal emails reveal. Microsoft Audience Ads announces new AI bid strategies and market expansion. WhatsApp users can now initiate group calls with up to 31 participants. LinkedIn offers new coding courses for free, providing advanced learning opportunities. Instagram Gifts is now available in many countries. Spotify launches tool that lets artists pay to feature on home screen, Showcase. Microsoft aiming to release next Xbox by 2028. AWS intros Edge management service for critical workloads and enterprise infrastructure. WhatsApp rolls out fresh button for select users, report. Google TV's next chip upgrade is coming with Amlogic S905X5. Telegram adds crypto wallet. Meta introduces avatar video calls on WhatsApp. For more digital trends, visit karanvalidi.com.